Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, which is refraction of light from the ray optics. Now, what do you understand by refraction of light? Basically, refraction of light means the change in path of light when it goes from one medium to another. So we'll define it. It is defined as the change in path of light when it goes from one medium to another. So basically we can represent it diagrammatically. Let us consider this is an interface which is separating two media. Suppose here it is air and here it is a glass. Suppose this is a glass slab. Okay, so upper portion is air and this is the glass slab having material glass. So, and this perpendicular line over the interface is known as normal, which is normal to the surface. And let us consider a light is incident at this interface, and this angle is known as angle of incidence I. We know that when a light falls on a surface, a part of it is reflected and some part of it get transmitted into another medium. So when it goes from one medium to another, it changes its path. It may goes toward the normal or it may goes away from the normal, depending upon which medium it is. So since the ray of light is changing its path, it should go straight like this, but it is changing its path. So that is why we can say refraction have been occurred. So this phenomena of change in path of light is known as refraction of light. Right, now we will study about different rules of the refraction of light. Firstly, before discussing the refraction of light, rules for refraction of light, the basic concept is what is the basic cause of refraction of light. Why this path change in path have been occurred? So basic cause is the change in speed of light. Change in speed of light when it goes from one medium to another. We know that when a light goes from rarer to denser medium. Now what is this rarer and what is this denser medium? Rarer medium means medium which is having lower density, and denser means which is comparatively dense, which is having more mass per unit volume. So when it goes from rarer to denser medium, it is observed that its velocity decreases and it bends towards the normal. Like this. Suppose here this is air again and this is suppose glass. Now air is rarer as compared to glass. Now when light falls over a surface at an angle of incidence I, it is observed that it bends toward the normal. This is toward the normal and this is the angle of refraction R. So when it goes from rarer to denser medium, its velocity decreases and it goes toward the normal. And similarly, when it goes from denser to rarer, it is observed that its velocity increases. So it will bend away from the normal. So this is an interface separating the media. This is suppose this is air, this is glass and this is air, suppose. Right, now light is going from denser to rarer. So in that case, the light which is incident at an angle I is bending away from the normal. This will go straight. That should be straight, not bending, should be there like that, straight. So it is going away from the normal. So this is the basic cause, that velocity changes when it goes from one medium to another. Now the concept is, why does this velocity change? You can imagine the situation that when you have to cross a crowd. Okay, this is the crowd. So you have to go to this part from this position. So when you are just running out, and when you enter this crowd, then naturally your speed will decreases. So this is the case with the velocity of light also. When it is going from rarer to denser medium, in that case it has to follow the up positions by the particles of the medium, so due to which its velocity decreases. And similarly, when you leave this crowd and goes to this position, then naturally you have to reach the destination and your speed will increase. So similarly, when the ray of light goes from denser to rarer medium, its speed of light will increase. So basic cause of refraction is the change in speed of light when it goes from one medium to another.